Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset end-to-end encrypted chat pin code on Messenger. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Messenger. So open up your Messenger, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to your profile here on your top left. Click on your profile. Once you get to the menu here, click on the settings option on your top right. Click on the settings option, and then here scroll down and you will see privacy and safety option. Click on privacy and safety. So here under security, you will see an option called end-to-end encrypted chats. So what you have to do is simply click on it. Okay, and then here go to message storage. Click on message storage, and then when you get to message storage here under security methods, you'll see an option called reset pin. So all you have to do is simply click on it, and then you'll be able to create a new pin and reset your pin, and that's pretty much it is. And that's how you reset it. Suppose if you have forgotten your pin and you're unable to access your Messenger, so what you can do, you can simply access your Messenger on another device which is not encrypted, or even on your PC, and then just do the same process as I mentioned earlier and reset it. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.